Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with another video. Some Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra owners report display issues appears limited to Exynos model. Basically, Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra lineup is being delivered to first buyer this week with earlier pre-order being delivered around the world. However, some Galaxy S22 Ultra owners are seeing their shiny new phone exhibit a strange display issue. According to several posts across Reddit, a display issue on the Galaxy S22 Ultra seems to display with a line of jumbled pixels that shows what looks like in the form of static across the bottom half of the panel. This doesn't appear to happen constantly, but rather primarily with content such as videos or game. The exact cause of the issue is unclear, but it does suggest that it could be a hardware issue. Interestingly, the behavior has only shows up so far on the Exynos version of the S22 Ultra, as one Reddit thread brings out. At first glance, that might seem like a hint that Snapdragon models are unlikely to use the same behavior. But today is probably the first day a considerable number of Galaxy S22 Ultra buyers from Snapdragon region will actually get their phone to check for any potential display problem, so it's too early to tell. Some user has found out that switching the phone from QHD to Full HD in display settings seems to help. Should this prove to be a hardware related issue? Well, it's appeared that Samsung has finally offered an explanation concerning this display issue. The company confirmed that it's a software bug with the phone and announcing a patch would be arriving for the device in near future. Until then, Samsung recommends switching the color mode to vivid and a resolution Full HD to prevent screen flickering. What is not good is that Samsung does not specify any date when affected S22 Ultra owner might receive their patch. After all, the phone is still a few days away from its official release, but with March on the horizon, we wouldn't be surprised to see it within the next couple of weeks. So guys, overall I think that this is not going to be great from Samsung, because when you spend a hefty amount to buy this particular device, you expect from the company to be a little bit responsible. As far as Samsung is concerned, I don't think that they have turned out to be a great in terms of their quality assurance department, because right from few years we are seeing display issues in the Samsung devices, and Samsung did not also provide any statement about when the Samsung is going to be giving the update that they are promising. And you guys, what do you think about this new display issue that has been arriving in the Galaxy S22 Ultra? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Peace.